Welcome, guys. Welcome to AB Reaction. Welcome to another music reaction. It's good to have you back.
Today we're looking at Abba.
Abba. I've heard about them before.
Yeah. They're like a Swedish
pop group. Yeah. So, but this is the first time hearing because I don't think I've heard this song.
Wow. Impressive title. The winner takes it all.
The winner takes it all. Yeah, it's quite impressive. I'm just thinking about it.
Yeah.
Winner takes it all. So this is Abba. Winner takes it all.
It kind of feels like when you want to, or when you're gambling. I put everything on the
Everything's
line.
on the line. But I feel in life is more like that, Life is more like that. There are some people that actually are winners and they take it all in life.
But you can never really take it all in life.
Yeah, because last you die one day.
Yeah.
So this is Abba, Winner Takes It All. So let's just go through this and hear the song.
Yeah.
I don't wanna talk about things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more race to play. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside the victory. That's her destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there. But I was a fool, laying by the rules. The gods make wrong with dice, their minds as cold as ice, and someone way down here loses someone dear. The winner takes it all, the loser has to fall. It's simple and it's plain. Why should I complain? But tell me, does she kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same when she calls your name? Somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. The judges will decide, the likes of me abide, spectators of the show.
So what do you think about this?
I love the song. I love the song.
And
I love the
she
song.
actually has like a high pitch.
Yeah, very high pitch.
Like when you're the winner takes it all.
Oh, yeah. And I love the beats when it's that. It's not a dull song.
Yeah, I'm trying to understand the whole the idea of the song. Kind of feels like she's in a place where she feels she's no longer wanted or something.
And the
Like
fact,
like based on the visuals. and
based
stuff.
on the video, yeah. And I think she's using these are other members of her band, the Abba band, the people in the videos, if I'm not mistaken. So I would love to know more about this particular song.
Yeah.
I'm sure we'll probably get something in the comment section.
Yeah.
Right, so let's go.
We stay alone. The game is on again. A lover or a friend, a big thing or a small. The winner takes it all. I don't wanna talk if it makes you feel sad. And I understand you've come to shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel bad, seeing me so tense, no self-confidence. But you see, the winner takes it all.
This song actually gives me that nostalgic feeling, really. Kind of feels like I've had either this song or something
Similar to
before.
it.
Like while growing up, I think.
Yeah, it's true.
But it
True.
sounds
So familiar.
Yeah.
Sounds really familiar. But we can't take away the melody of the song.
Wow.
We can't, like it's 100. Like the melody of the song is 100. This was an amazing song by Abba. Yes, sounds really familiar. Now you mentioned, yes, it does. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this song. Keep your suggestions, they coming through for us, and
See you next time.
see you next time. Peace.